We're having two celebrations here tonight. We're honoring the 40th anniversary of the founding of Connect-Tech, a local high-tech company. And the second event is my retirement after 40 years.
All right, we'll look at you first. Perfect.
I started my career 37 years ago with Connect-Tech, and I think it's important to point out that at that time there was no internet.
One of the things that truly sets Connect-Tech apart in our industry, especially being here in Canada, is that we are both a design and manufacturing company with our entire R&D team and production facility right here in Guelph, Ontario. Thank you both.
The first station we're at here is our AOI station, which is automated optical inspection. Run a little certificate here. We got the official seal, so that's ready to go. You guys can put on the We would. Sure.
We've always been a company that looks ahead, and today we're entering a bold new chapter. Connect-Tech is going all in on Edge AI solutions. We've been building to this. We're aligning our entire roadmap around the future of intelligent, high-performance, artificial intelligence computing platforms.
We started with serial port technology 40 years ago, and today we're fully immersed in Edge AI, which is artificial intelligence in various machines like self-driving cars, drones, submersibles, but also interesting things like X-ray reading as well as endoscopy surgery.
Well, thanks a lot. Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Thanks for being in Guelph, growing in Guelph, staying in Guelph, hiring people. It's really important.
Well, it's a terrific place to have a business and raise a family, so it's been a great run.
Over the years, there's been many ups and downs. There's been so many stories, so many great memories, and I've witnessed countless accomplishments by the team at Connect-Tech. I can't feel anything other than immense pride when I think of all the things that we've done together.
I want to say thanks to Dave for creating a company that has a culture that allows for people to grow in their career, but also have a family. I'm a mother of 3 boys. And as much as I have traveled around the globe throughout my career, I have never missed a birthday. And that's sort of the unwritten rule here, is you don't miss the important events.
So today was a great day to really reflect on the last 40 years and where we're going in the next 40. We had a really nice celebration to bring all our partners and some of our key customers together, and even a lot of our friends and family. So it was a lot of fun. Thank you to all the Connect-Tech staff and everyone that helped plan this event. It's been a bit of a wild week, so really, really appreciate everything everyone's done. Thanks a lot.